Welcome to Gross Domestic Problem, the podcast that tackles America's biggest and most urgent crisis head on. The economy is on the brink. Americans feel it. But what if the real cause of the squeeze in their bank account, like an iceberg about to sink a ship, was mostly invisible? That iceberg? The national debt.
The only way that we're going to solve our debt issue is to slow the growth of government spending so the tax revenue outpaces spending growth, and then we can eventually start paying down our debt.
How do we get here? What happens if we don't get it under control? And what's the least painful way out?
At a macro level, when you increase taxes, you're taking money out of the private sector of the economy, which means that you're literally destroying jobs and opportunity.
There is no do-nothing solution, and every solution will require some sacrifice.
Problem is that we have gotten into this habit of spending beyond our means. And when you have that habit and you can justify whatever you're doing by saying, it's future me's problem.
When I think about the national debt, this is what I think about. The long-term, slow-motion disaster that we are headed to.
Countries have dominated for a period of time, and then they've either collapsed suddenly or they've declined over a long period of time.
The number one threat to the United States' national security is our inability to get our fiscal house in order.
It is my sincere, heartfelt belief we have a generational problem in terms of leadership in the United States with regards to fiscal policy.
This is an urgent issue. It's a right now issue. That is why I started this show.